our channel. Today's video is about how to remove a door panel on a 4th generation Mustang. The car that I'm using today for this illustration is this 2001 Mustang GT, but the process is going to be similar for all the other Mustangs as long as they are in the 4th generation. So let's get started. So the first step is to remove this tweeter cover. That way the door panel can be lifted up. I'm going to bring the camera up close so you can see how this is removed. So you can remove it a couple different ways. You can apply pressure with your thumbs and pull out, or do what I'm going to do. You can use a screwdriver and then gently pry the cover like that. And this is what keeps it in place. There's these tabs right here, another one over here, and then on the bottom. So that's how you take this part off. Next step is to remove this cover. So to remove it, use your screwdriver to pry up here and pull it out. And then pull it out with your hand on this end. And gently pull the rest out. Just like that. Disconnect the plugs. You can see this tab right here. You can insert your screwdriver. You can pry it a little bit. Don't pry on it too much because otherwise it'll break. It's plastic. There you go. And over here you're going to have, and for this one you need a Phillips screwdriver. So it's simple. Remove the screws. Pull it out just like that, and you have this piece out of the way. Next step is to remove this part. Just gently pry out. Pry it on this side first, and just guide it out just like that. If everything's still original in your car, you should have a screw here and a screw there. The screw is there, but the door panel looks like it was damaged, and there was this screw that was installed to keep the door panel in place. So I'm going to remove it, but in your case you should have one here and one here. Right here at the bottom of the door panel, by the speaker, close to the door jamb, you have this retainer clip. Pry it. Okay, so there it is. Probably want to install a new one when you install your door panel back on. So the final step is to remove the door panel. You lift up on it. I'm going to mention something real quick that will make the door panel removal a lot easier to understand. This part right here does not come with the door panel. In certain vehicles it is attached to the panel. In this case this stays. So this is what the door panel is going to look like when you pull it out. So it may be a little tricky to slide it out of here, out of the seal. So just, if you need to pry it gently with a screwdriver or a plastic prying tool, that might be something that you may have to do. I just want to mention it. That way you know how this door panel is going to come off and you're not trying to pull this part with it. So just so you know. And there you have it. That's how simple it is to remove a door panel on a 4th generation Ford Mustang. Thanks for watching. See you next time.